Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We've got a nice used 2019. It's a Keystone Laredo. The model number is a 290 SRL. So let's go in and take a peek. All right, so we walk in. Looks like right up here in front, you got two separate refrigerator freezers. Kind of nice for a smaller unit. So you got an island with drawers, and underneath you got cabinet space, drawers here. So you got double slide here. So this is a rear lounge model. You've got the stainless oven here, pre-burner hood. You got a microwave right there. More storage, drawers over above counter. Nice little wood cabinetry. So here you got your fireplace, for your own fireplace. You got your little TV with a DVD player built in, more storage. So the rear lounge has got the big windows on the sides, pretty open here. So more storage above us there. You get windows that open up, so you got ventilation, cross ventilation here. You got this, these are recliners right here. That makes into a hide-a-bed. All LED lights, AC. Above us is all the, little lights here for the dinette too. Also windows that open up. So in the front here, your control panel for your slide outs, your monitor stations to check your levels. Here's your heater control. So you got a little closet there, more storage, your little pantry area right there. Both right there, nice. So you walk up here to the steps, you got a nice little grab rail. So you got a nice big shower. It's got the big tub shower. So lots of room here for height. You got a porcelain toilet. There's your little sink. Counter space below. You got a cabinet above. Little towel rack here. It's all LEDs, little fan above us. So nice little bathroom. Like I said, for a smaller unit, it's 290. So then you walk into the master bedroom. You got, this is a little slide here, so the closets, you got closet space there on both sides. You got a hang in there. There's a queen bed that lifts up. You get storage under here. So you got above storage there, cabinets there. This is your emergency exit here. So you got a spot here. This is all pre-wired for TV. It's already mounted the bracket for the flat screen TV. Actually, this has two ACs, so it's got a separate AC for the bedroom. Nice looking unit. So pre-owned. So come on outside and let's go out here. A nice big grab rail going outside with the 3 steps of aluminum. So this has got the all-weather package on it. So it means the tanks are covered. So you got an electric awning out the side there with speakers. You got a little awning over the side here. This has got the frameless windows that swing out, so they give good ventilation. So here's your under bay storage. So they're magnetic. You got lots of room all the way through. Plug in there. This is for your batteries right there. It's pre-wired for solar. Little portable solar panel on the ground. It's got the fiberglass cap on the front. Storage under the bay here. This is where your propane tanks are. This is the other storage area, goes all the way through. So here's all your controls for your sewer, water, and all that right in through there. Nice drip rails on the side that come off to keep the water down from coming down off the slides. Little storage compartment here for outside. Put your cords, your hose, power cord, whatever. So, and then the back, you got that big window that we were looking at. So it's got a ladder to get up on the roof to do a roof inspection. It's pre-wired for backup camera. Spare tire on the back. So good looking unit. So if you're looking for something fairly small, this is like the 290 RL that's pre-owned. So somebody made a good deal and then traded it in. So come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.